I'll be so for real with you boys. It's 9:30, yeah. I'll keep it so for real with you. Like I'm running on like 5 hours sleep. It's a Saturday night. I should be enjoying my Saturday night, you know. Like I should be doing something fun. But I am going to, instead of doing all the missed assignments, all the catch up school shit, I'm going to be making an agent. An agent that does the most simplest shit ever. Now, I already made this agent in a different, well, in the exact same code base actually. Do I have it here? Yeah, I do, okay. So this is exact same, but this is on the main branch. As you can see, we're on the housekeeping branch. Because right now, like, I'll be so free with you, I'm reorganizing. Because, like, looking in the code base now, it's like, fuck, man. It's like, look at the amount of to-dos I have in just one file. Okay, I only have two. Beside the point. That's beside the point. Anyways, where is it? Yeah, it's here. So, like, this is very simple as shit. Like, well, actually, where the fuck is it? It's not there. Oh, fuck. That's awkward. Oh, yeah, I remember, bro. So, basically, this is just like Olama. But the problem about this solution is, right, you need to install Olama. And I'll keep it a buck with you. I don't want the end user to do all that. So we're gonna raw dog this motherfucker. So as you can see, I've installed Llama, C++, and Python as a package. What we're gonna do is we're gonna integrate it. As you can see, we have the model, a 7 billion model. It even says coder on it. That's how you know that's gonna be graded. Now the reason why this is like. Like I'm not like no AI geek or not, but like I think this is like the most efficient one I found on Hugging Face. If you don't know what Hugging Face is, it's just basically like, think of like a GitHub marketplace for free. Like you get access to all these models and shit. Like that's very cool. Like you could do like ChatGPT or something. Yeah, you could do DeepSeek. That's so cool. But that's beside the point. So, what I'm actually gonna do, right, I'm gonna show you the old code, because I can't, like, it's not on, what you call it, it's not on my thing. So I'll just go to the GitHub, check previous commits. This might be fine, I think. I don't think I had AI agent here. No, I didn't have it in this one. It was in staging. Doctrine. Yeah. So my first ever solution, right, was using Gemini 2.5 Flash. And see, like, you may be stupid. You may be like, Adam, why is your API key on commit source? Well, I made this mistake like a week ago or two on this exact same project. But if you haven't realized, this is a private repository, but it is gonna be public. But the thing is, right, I'm not stupid, bro. I'm just gonna make sure my API keys are deleted. Matter of fact, actually, I'm gonna double check that. Google Gemini API. The problem with Gemini, right, is it doesn't listen to my instructions. Like, I give it instructions and it won't listen to it after a while. It's weird. And another problem is, I've actually realized, right, using a local large language model on my workstations are faster than using an API like Gemini. But again, Gemini, I'm using free Gemini, so, cause like, you must be mad thinking I'm paying for builds and shit. But anyways, let's actually get coding, shall we? So I'll be so for real with you, I've never done local large language models like this before. Like, the only artificial intelligence interaction I've done locally was for OCR and computer vision. But anyways, so I am using ChatGPT on this other monitor here, but like, thing is, you can't really do anything without AI nowadays. But the thing is, I'm not getting AI to raw dog my entire code base. I could, like, I bet you like €100, right? I could give Claude like a one single prompt with a proper description of what I wanted to do, and it will do all the scripts in here for me. But I'm not like that, bro. You have to do the assisted learning technique. Like, these techniques, in my opinion, is like strap, bro. Cause like, basically, right, you code, but you also ask AI questions that help your ability to learn, and you give it for examples, and then you're not getting the AI to code your entire code base, but at the same time you're also improving your workability and your ability to learn. So from llama, import llama. It's not capital. Fuck. Llama. I just want to see what this is like. Llama. Ooh, has CTX. Fucking hell, mate. That's a lot, man. I'll be for real with you. Just want to see some. Where is it? Ah, whatever. Current files working fine. You may think this is a stupid waste of time, but like, I'm very superstitious. Also, wait. Nah, man. Fuck this. I hate command prompt, bro. PowerShell on top, man. Like, what y'all motherfuckers know about PowerShell, bro? Where even am I? Oh, I'm in the root. What am I on about? Right! Wait, am I using a virtual environment? Wait, hold on. How the fuck do you check Python version? Bro, you for... You know, I'll just assume that I'm using the virtual environment because that's gonna get on my nerves now. That is gonna get on my nerves. I don't know how to check the Python version. Anyways, okay, yeah, perfect. So, see, when I get like when ChatGPT gives me all this shit, I always wonder like what these functions do. So just give me a second. Actually, wait, hold on. What does this do? Oh, that's so cool. It tells you the file. As you can see, I really worked with files in Python. Like, I think the most ever language I worked with files was actually Lua. Yeah, again, I was working on a limited workspace. Parent. Now this is gonna be cool, man. Wait. That's so cool. That is so cool. Oh, that is quite cool, man. I'll be for real. I'll be for real with you, man. So we wanted to access the model directory. So I could just do this. Oh, that reminds me, bro. I remember. Wait, let me show you. You see these squiggly brackets? You know, I first learned about the format, this format strat. Like, let's say you have print hi, the file path is I love, it just looks so cleaner than doing this. I don't know why. I don't know why actually. But fuck, what is my keyboard, bro? So I don't want to. Yeah, you know, that's fine. Perfecto. We now have the file path, bro. You don't understand. Like, I actually, the dopamine, like programming, the dopamine programming, it has to be studied. Like, I am gonna lie. Especially like, I feel like if you program with Cursor, Claude, fucking Codex, all those bullshit AI, like I have Cursor, but like, I barely fucking use it. But what I'm saying is like, if you get Cursor to just to raw dog your motherfucking shit, that I don't like it. Like, I understand, right? If you're a software engineer and you need to refactor your code base for a feature that you're pushing out into main branch, I understand that using Cursor would be like effective, or like not even Cursor, bro. I wouldn't even trust Cursor for such a thing. What is it? What is this? Is this just how many tokens? See, this is so important, right? No, this is so important. If ChatGPT gives you something you don't understand in code, you got to figure out what the fuck that means. Like, you don't use ChatGPT to do very complex logic tasks. You do it to do simple shit. And I'll tell you right now, all of this is not going to be here tomorrow. It's going to be like class. We're going to have class objects. We're going to have fucking special initializers and all that shit. But like, the redundancy, you don't need to waste your time on it. But if you don't understand something, what is NCTX? Number of tokens. See, you knew how man guessed that, bro. Like, I knew it had this, because CTX, because when I made Discord bots, that sounds terrible to say, but when I made Discord bots in Python, you would always do async def, then you would have your function name, and then you do CTX, blah blah blah, and like, you could say CTX channel, send message, hi. It was so good. That's, I remember CTX stands for context. 8192. ChatGPT is telling me to use 8192. Now I'm gonna change that. You must be joking, thinking I'm not gonna give that. Tired. I'll do 0. You know. Let me see. Whoa! Why is it doing all that? Why is it printing all that? What the fuck? Why is it printing all that, bruh? Alright, whatever. Def ask AI message string. I'm gonna return string. This is something I've noticed. Like, this hasn't. I've never seen anyone in computer science, in my computer science use this. But like, I think it's so important, especially for large code bases. Having all this type, like, even though like this barely makes any purpose for like the actual code itself, you gotta understand, right? You gotta understand, right? That when you do shit like that, at least like your intelligence is gonna be off the roofs with information. Hello, how are you? I'm gonna do simple shit. I ain't doing all that. Oh, stretch it. You know, my sleep schedule is so fucked, right? I woke up at 10 o'clock, right? But only like 4 hours of sleep. And I was like, fuck. You may be like, Adam, why'd you wake up so early, bro? It's because I volunteered to teach kids how to use Blender. Who the fuck's texting me on Discord, bro? Damn. Wanna play chess? Look at this bum, bro. Don't mind that. Look at this bum. Look at this bum. Also, if you're asking what this is part of my other project. But anyways, beside that. Fucking bum. Get the fuck out of my Discord DM, motherfucker. I'm trying to lock in on coding, bro. I need to stop cursing, bro. What's wrong? Mass tokens temperature. I remember reading a story about the statistical model in AI bias, right? It was a research paper by a bunch of motherfuckers from Stanford, a bunch of colleges in Australia, UK. It's just fucking international. But anyways, I remember reading it, right? And it mentioned something about temperature, and it also mentioned something like how we need to actively combat bias based in statistics because they are integrated in the models with them themselves. I just need to check. What does this do in Python? Never mind. My fault. Return out choices. Gosh, why you got to be so complicated? Why you got to be so complicated? Why you got to be... Okay. You're a coin. Created by Alibaba Cloud. That's quite actually meant by Alibaba. When Alibaba. Oh my god. He's in a Chinese model. Fuck. Oh, please don't print all this bullshit. Why is it printing all that, bro? Did I even call the function? I didn't even call the AI. I didn't even... That's so stupid of me. I didn't even call the AI, bro. Message equals... Yeah. I didn't even need message. I already had the prompt pre-fog. Now go on. Give me some. Shouldn't take this long. It should not take this long. But it is taking this long. And I have no clue why it's taking this long. We could be waiting here for a while, bro. It did not print it out. It did not print it out. Oh. Chat, I'm all stupid. There has to be a refit, bro. You know, I wish like that's something I'm gonna add in my linter. You know, that's something I'm gonna add in my linter. I'm gonna make it so yeah. If there's a return statement, I'm calling a function with a return statement. I'm just calling a function, not assigning it to a variable, to another function, passing it on to another function, or even printing it. I'm gonna alert the shit out of my linter and let the agent know. It better not take it. Does it actually take this long, bro? No, it shouldn't take this long. No. Last time. This took like less than 10 seconds. And let you know, yeah, this was running 4 times, not in parallel, by the way. It was running. Boys, what the fuck? Oh, this can't be real, bro. This can't be real. Let me just show you real quick, yeah. Can I just let me just check out to you, little buddy. Oh, let me just commit you real quick. And make agent, but it sucks right now. Boom. Okay. You pushed? Yeah, okay, you pushed. I'm gonna check out now. Life is roadblocks. Life is roadblocks. Look at this, bro. Did I just... That shit merged, bro. What the fuck? Are you joking me? Bro. I don't even know. It doesn't even tell me if I'm in virtual environment on this thing. Right, okay. I have a solution. I always find solutions, you get me? Get the fuck out. Come out, PowerShell. The one time I don't need PowerShell, bro. It is VNV scripts activate. I am now in virtual environment. Show me far. Okay, wait. Oh, I have to install all this again. I could have just done that twice on my days. I'm stupid, fam. Alright, say that. So I have all these installed, right? I'm gonna make you. Where is it? Yeah, make you do this one, right? Copy path reference. Just make sure, okay. It shouldn't work, right? Whoa. Whoa. Why is Pika doing that? Where the fuck did I leave the code base off in? Why is Pika? What the fuck? What? I'm so fucking confused, fam. Is there 2 Pikas in the root? I'm retarded, fam. Am I stupid, bro? Parser. Is it coming from docstring? No, it can't be coming from docstring. You know what? I'm just gonna demonstrate to you anyways. Pika, docstring, file. Oh, I forgot something. Fuck! Pika, docstring. Can I spell right? Fuck, man. Pika is not recognized. Oh, fuck. I forgot. Whoa, calm down, G. Relax, bro. Relax. Python, no such file. What? Oh, I forgot the py. My fault. My fault. My fault, bro. My fault. My fault. You see this? This is my current solution. No doctrine science. Now, get ready to see some immaculate shit, right? Ignore wherever the fuck that's coming from. I have no clue where that's coming from. And I'm not figuring it out because I've currently abandoned the main branch. I'm now in the housekeeping branch. But anyways, you see this? It read. Look. Where is it? Where is it? It read my own parsing file. Looked at the functions. Checked if it had the doctrine. If you don't know what a doctrine is, let me show you. That's a doctrine. See how get content? Doctrine found. But if you go to line 26 to the next function, no doctrine. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna make doctrines using artificial intelligence. So look. Also, look at this cool error handling. That's cool. But in it, why? Look, it's gonna take less than 5 seconds. 5. Boom. Boom. So you're telling me this took less than 10 seconds to generate? Just so you know, that's what? That's like 2.2 seconds. 2.25 seconds. Let me just double check on that math real quick. If it took 10 seconds, right? Divided by 4. It took 2.5 seconds to generate a string for every single one of these. Wait, that's 5. 1, 2. Is that 5? No, that's my fault. It took 2.5 seconds to generate all that? And you're telling me it took like 30 seconds to talk about the fucking weather forecast? What? Can I just mention, yeah? Wait, let me just go to the Ask AI real quick. Let me just go to the Ask AI module. Where the fuck is my Ask AI module, bro? Is this it? No, this is bum ass Google, bro. Ain't nobody like you, Google. Nah, my fault, I'm joking. Can I just mention? Exact same model, by the way, guys. Exact same model. What? What's the difference? What is it? Oh, wait, I think I do know. Wait, I might have just hypothesized the difference. Wait. Chat. I think I hypothesized the difference. Wait. Whoa, wait, hold on, CNG. Hold on a second, G. Ignore that, bro. Hold on a second, G. Alright. So, we got, as sticky note. Never mind, that looks shit. So, we got, what was it called? What was the thing called again? What was it called? Quen. So we got Quen, right? We got Quen. And you also got Quen. So you got 2 Quens, right? One takes, right? Look, I'll do this in a different color. I'll do it in a yellow. No, I won't do it in a yellow color. I'm doing a blue color. So you're telling me, right? Fuck, can you get rid of that? My fault, twin. I thought I could control that. But alright, you're telling me, yeah? For this one was using, I think it was Olama. This one was using Olama. And this one was using Olama. Actually, no, it wasn't using the old bit. Get the old bit out here. Was it? Let me just double check. That is Visual Studio Code. Okay. I am cooked. I'll be so through with you. I actually can't even. It's not even there. Wait. It should be called. Yeah. This one was using Llama. This one took greater than 30 seconds to tell me about the weather. To question to me as the agent, as a user, about the fucking weather forecast. About the weather. You want a weather forecast, right? Okay, you know what? I'll give you a weather forecast, mate. Just give me a second. But anyways, now this is not stupid. This one, which I'm gonna put love heart, took 10 seconds. Probably less than, actually. That is a greater than. Probably less than 10 seconds to generate 4 doc strings. And can I just mention, right? Can I just mention real quick, right? This is 2.5. This is 2.5 with the 2.57b, 7 billion. And this is also 2.57b. And can I also just mention further, right? This is a coder. This is a coder. This is also a coder. So, my question that I ask you, right, is which one is better? The exact same model? One of them tells me about doc strings in less than 10 seconds. Gives me 4 actually. 2 functions. And another one takes 30 seconds. And asks me about the weather. So you know what? It asked me about the weather. The fucking model asked me about the weather. File's not even here anymore. Fuck. Bum ass files, bro. Bring me back to housekeeping. No, bring me back to housekeeping, bro. Bring me back to housekeeping. Good boy. I need to fix out my fucking thing. What is going on with my... You know what? I don't know why my Git is bugging. I need to learn Git. Like, I know some of the Git commands, but I just need to learn it first. So I'm gonna tell you. Okay. You asked me about the weather. Fuck you fucking knobhead. Here is the daily weather. You know what, right? This is getting on my nerves, right? Let me just open up Visual Studio real quick. Let me just do some fancy shit, right? Let's see that. I made this in 1 hour in Mr. Dunn's third year. I didn't have him for third year. I was with Mr. Dunn. What the fuck was I doing though? I spent oh yeah, so there's a demo for Holy Family or something. Alright. Does this have any things I don't have? Say no. It's gonna error, right? No. It's asking me about the weather, so I'm gonna use my own Python script to tell it about the weather. So just give it a second to load. This is actually real data, by the way. I'm still surprised the API is up. Alright, give me the temperature, why don't you? 5 degrees. It is quite fucking cold. It is 5 degrees. Winds. Fucking hell, mate. I didn't even notice. Would I like to return to the menu? Fuck, I didn't even realize that. My fault. Oh. Why did I make such a long bullshit loading screen? This loading screen is straight up bullshit. It's not doing anything. It's just times. Ah. Tell me about the rainfall. Why don't you, mate? There's no rainfall. Ah, cheers. Wind speeds. This is moderately. It is acceptably, moderately windy here in Port Leash. What do you think? What do you think, mate? Where am I right now? Alright. He asked for the weather, so I'm gonna tell him about the fucking weather. Fucking knobbits, man. Actual knobbits. While it's taking a nice stroll, while it's taking like 2 years just to process this one sentence, by the way, it probably takes 2 years to process that one sentence. I'm gonna show you my GitHub. I'm gonna flex my Git. Like, oh, this shit is so clean. This shit is so clean. This shit is so clean. You know, I might sponsor Eslin again. I just might. You know, past sponsorship. I could sponsor Tim Farrelly. He's a chill ass motherfucker. Where are you, Tim? My flipping guy, though. Man, this guy has such a nice Git, too. Like, that's sick. Like, this is such a nice Git. That's cool. Man, he has such good projects, bro. My projects are bum right now. I'm only 16, though. But, chat, do I sacrifice my leaving cert to make No, that's just stupid, bro. But anyway, this is my favorite project. Face detection. Like, this is so cool, bro. Like, I'll be so for real. None of this is vibe code. You may think it's vibe code, but it's not vibe code. Like, I'm so proud. I was actually so proud. Alright, let me see if our buddy here, our weatherman. Whoa. You know, our model, right, was so fucking happy. It was so happy about telling me about the weather. It was so happy that it gave me a JSON back. It was so happy. It was so happy. Is that even syntax correct? Let me see. Yeah, it is. Okay. Imagine it fucked up the syntax. I'm actually losing my mind. Oh my god, I'm actually losing my mind, bro. I'm deleting all this. Where the fuck is the delete button on this thing, bro? Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Delete. Oh, should I delete idea? I should not delete idea. Had me think for a second. It's like, fuck, I'm about to do some crazy shit. Delete. Oh. Open. You know what? I'm losing my mind. I'm just going. I have no clue what I just done with the checkout shit. So, Pika. I'm just going to. So, is that? There's something wrong with me, bro. I'm losing my mind. I'm losing my mind. I'm losing my mind. I'm losing my mind. I'm closing out intelligence. How long have I been recording for, gang? 3 minutes. Housekeeping has pushed 17 minutes ago. Cheers, man. Fucking hell. Cheers for letting me know. Pylon, bro. Pylon's my arch enemies. This is what I'm aiming for. I'm aiming for the beep. Pylon. A fully fledged contributed repository against 116-year-old. Who do you think is gonna win, gang? You gotta have high hopes. High hopes. Yeah, I'm gonna be so for real with you. I'm gonna be so for real with you, bro. I'm deleting this bum ass project. And I'm just gonna. Why? Why is it tweaking out? You know what? I'm smart. I have an idea. Copy path reference. Get rid of exit. Just make sure it's out here. That's Slack. Remote access? Fuck you on about. Why is ChatGPT also open on my thing? ChatGPT desktop got to be the most bum ass application site. I promise you, nobody uses that. They just use the normal website ChatGPT. What else? Yeah, you can all go in the bin, bruh. Bum. Delete. Now, in theory, when I open this, everything should be gone. Everything is not gone. Everything is gone. I want you, right? I want you to bring me back. Fuck! Why did I get rid of the git, bro? Bombs, bro. I gotta restart this bum ass. I'm actually considering it. I'm considering switching to. I'm considering switching to NeoVim. Oh, how the fuck did you even work NeoVim, bro? What is this? Print. Fucking save me. Fucking save me. How the fuck do I save this shit? Shift E. No, get me out of insert, bro. Okay, good. Save A. There's only. Where the fuck did my. Bro. You know what? It's whatever. I'm getting sidetracked. I'm actually. Please, my git be there. Why is my git? Right. Oh no, never mind. I'm too good. Reset current branch to here. Hard reset that motherfucker, bro. Bring me back to when life. Bring me back to when life. Bring me back to when life. Bring me back. Without a Python interpreter. Oh, my Python interpreter is fucked. Are you joking me? Are you joking me? Are you joking me? Are you joking me? Add SDK. It's going to give me an error saying that it's the same name. It does not take this long to make a virtual environment. Apply. Please specify different Python. I'm gonna fucking crash out in a second. SDKs. Yeah, I'm gonna be so thrilled. Both of you are in the bin. Bro! Right. Add Python SDK. Right. Why are you there? You don't even exist. According to intelligence, right? You don't even exist. Why are you chilling there, bro? Get that shit out of here. What? Get the fuck out of here, bro. Bro. Shabang. Shalang bang. There we go. Life is goated. And everything's back to normal. Everything is back to normal. Except the fact that the models. You know what? Screw the fucking. Bro. Fuck Quen Alibaba. I want to see someone talking shit about it. I really. 100 trillion tokens? What? What are you on about? Fuck you on about? 100 trillion tokens? What? Oh. Who made Quen? founder of Alibaba. Jack Ma, yeah. Jack Ma, mate. I'm sending you a personal message, just letting you know. I'll put the word for you. Is there anything you'd like to... Ooh. Hold on, gang. I got the lock in. Oh, I got the lock in. What the fuck do I say to that? What are you on about? Well, I'll put in a word for you. Thanks, man. What do you think should mention? I'm not quite sure. To anyone in my school watching this motherfucker is a G, bro. This motherfucker is a G. Alright, but for real, Jack Ma. Do Chinese people use LinkedIn? Yeah, Chinese people use it. That is racist. That is fire racist of me to say. Oh, I'm losing my mind. Happy birthday to Garrett's fault. Oh, no, I don't care. I promise you, I don't care. I'm playing. Garrett's mom's like my child. Oh my god. Oh my days. Oh my god. All this, and yeah, I made a model. I didn't make a model, but I downloaded a model that tells me about the weather. All this shit, bro. I actually know the root cause. I'm pretty sure I know the root cause. I'm surprised ChatGPT didn't even point it out. But I don't even think it just has the context. Nor the weights and all that bullshit. You know, I've never used Claude, bro. Well, I actually have used Claude, but I don't know. You know, this guy, right? This guy I knew on Instagram. He told me 45 degrees isn't a triangle. Cause I asked him, oh yeah, what are you doing? Cause he's in Qatar, right? And I asked him, what is he doing for his Python course? Funny enough, he's using Tawny. Tawny must be some international educational bullshit application that everyone uses. Great. I think everyone uses Tawny, and I mentioned this in one of my videos too. It's just cause if I do turtle, there's no IntelliSense. You could fucking make Neil of him having IntelliSense for this shit, but they just. I think it's just cause they just want to hardwire that shit into the brain. I promise you, a software engineer will never need to do that. Like, it'll be muscle memory by that point, either way. But anyways, I showed him this code, right? He said, I'm gonna show you, you know what? I can't show you the group chat directly, but I'll just take a screenshot for you to take a look at it. I'm generally getting better at chess. When did this guy send this to me? Hold on. 9:49. I promise if you're ever watching this video, bro, I do not give a fuck. I actually don't give a shit. I keep a buck. Keep a buck with you. Yeah. No. This pisses me off. Look at this bullshit. Let's just do an analysis real quick. Why don't we? Let me I'll open this up on Figma, cause I'm a Sigma. Alright, fucking hell, Figma is like heavyweight. Alright, look at this bullshit. So, I give him this code. Wait. Let me just also bring this code in to the mix. 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 How the fuck do I rotate this motherfucker? I forgot. Alright. Exact same code. What do you say? You're doing too much, gang. Just use the... I say, that's not doing too much. That's thinking on computative methodology. With angles. But like, that's so stupid though. What do you mean I'm doing too much? Bro, this is like the best way you could have done it. Like, this is like the only way. Cause like, let's say I want a square, right? Let's say I want a square. Bam, you got a square, gang. Let's say I want a pentagon. You got a pentagon. Let's say I want a hexagon. Matter of fact, let's say I want a circle. Okay, wait, that's way too big. Fuck, how the fuck up? Okay, let's just do 50 and see what happens. Okay, let me make the forward 10. Make you 100. That is a circle. I have meant a circle just by changing legit line 3 and line 7, bro. But anyways, I'm getting so sidetracked. I think I'm gonna take a break from coding. Tomorrow, what am I gonna do tomorrow? I'll tell you what I'm gonna do tomorrow. I have to study for a business test, bro. I have to study for a business test. You know, my business teacher texted me a few days ago. Matter of fact, I haven't been in business class for the last 2 weeks due to personal family reasons. But I'm gonna just read out to you what my business teacher texted me, bro. Wasn't the girl remember? Alright, never mind. Alright, but anyways. Sorry. My fault. Hi, Adam. Are you on work experience this week? If so, I'll get you to do your test next week. It's been 2 weeks and she's making me do her test. Dedication. Pure dedication. More dedicated than my English teacher anyways. Fucking hell. Am I a Sigma? Just tell me, am I a Sigma? Bro, you're not a Sigma. You're like Ultra Sigma. What happens if I put in 6-7? This model is gonna know what 6-7 actually means. Oh, that rage bait. That is pure rage bait. I didn't even realize that for that. I was like too stuck on this bit. But then I realized, oh, this bullshit ass model. When I met this model, bruh, I gave it all the information about my friends. Not personal information, but basically just a context like about my friends and all that. And my previous girlfriend, I think I met this at the time when I had a girlfriend, bro. Like, oh, that gets on my nerves. That actually gets on my nerves, bro. Alright, I'm gonna fix that. I need to fix that, bro. That is awkward. That is awkward. You know what? I'm just gonna add it. Name a few my profile, bro. Fake ass. Whoa. Whoa. I just saw 11 views and turned back down. That is a critical user interface problem. What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? I want to check my domains actually. Status center. I have more domains now. Is Mario 14 still online? Is it? Really? Oh my god, it is. It's nice to know that Helly.ac ranks at the bottom. What? How does this rank? Oh, slow start. I promise you next time Helios AC is gonna rank at the bottom. Whoa. Well, what's wrong with host low? I don't know how this ranks at the bottom versus Helios AC. Which matter of fact, by the way, which matter of fact, console sources. The entire index, it's not even propagated. It's just one massive index file. So I don't know how a 6K index file is yet what is 73 milliseconds faster. Pure, it's rage bait. Like this internet world is a rage bait. It's pure rage bait. Fuck AI. Fuck Gwen. That's such a bum ass model, bro. Is that what was it? I forgot the name. No, Gwen. I said Gwen. Oh shit. Your name is Gwen. My fault. Oh man. I don't know, guys. Is computer science cool? It's obviously not good, bro. If you software engineers still prosper nowadays. Still, bro, I made this in like 10 minutes. It was for my computational thinking. No, what? No, it wasn't. It was for my software development lifecycle. It was part of the UI UX. Man, like I would want to make this in a proper Swift project. Like I just have a Mac specifically for Swift IDE. Oh, life is Roblox. Why is that there? Actually, no, I'm gonna keep that there. Man, it was so cool. It doesn't redact my face because my hand's over it, and this was before I had the eye detection. Hey, Helios International, does your number. This is my computer science project. That's cool. This is, does it know. I don't know why it's green. But anyways, thank you for watching my video. As I mentioned, I'll show you. I'm gonna end this in a final commit. It's gonna be so wholesome. Like, it's actually gonna. Why the fuck is my thing like that? Like, my Explorer is just on that side for some reason. You know what? I'm not even gonna complain. I'm going to put a main file. I'm gonna name it Pica. I don't know why my Intel is right there. Pica. What the skibbity? Nah. Welcome. The end of my YouTube video. Commit and push. What if I really see someone commit to local? I cry and I shallow in my tears of my own eyes. I feel like Shakespeare right now. Can I just mention, I was teaching kids how to do Blender. We were making a robot. My robot sucks, but you can see it's. You can definitely tell that I was messing around with bezel. Is that what it's called? I remember bezel. SolidWorks. I remember doing something. What was it called? You know. Do I have Blender? Fuck, I don't have Blender, bro. What was it? Oh, it's the opposite of no, what? That's fine. I think it's better. I don't know. But anyways, thank you everybody for watching my video. Housekeeping out. That sounds so cringe, bro. Dead. Fuck you, pilot. Fuck you, bro. I'm gonna end this video. I'm gonna cry in my bed for like 10 years because AI is getting on my nerves. I love.